Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Where we will start the first unit of animal form in function 1, protection, support and movement. Now we will discuss the first, protection. In general terms, protection refers to keeping the individual safe. And if you are talking about biologically, protection provide safety to the organism from the element of the outside environment. And what is the principle of this protection? The principle of protection is to provide a barrier between the susceptible part of the host to protect that from the pathogen or from the outside environment. And in majority cases, this barrier is provided by the important system of the body, which is known as integumentary system. And if we are talking about the integumentary systems, this integumentary systems are found in both vertebrate and invertebrate. In this integumentary system, in case of invertebrate, they are included certain shells, and exoskeleton is a body covering. While in case of vertebrate, this integumentary system is comprises of the skin, certain scales, feathers in case of birds, hair in case of mammals, and certain glands. The human integumentary system are mostly made of the skin, which includes other accessory parts like glands, hair, and nails. Skin is the largest organ found in the body. So the function of the integumentary system is provide protection or safety to the organism. The second one is support. What support means to provide help or assistance to organism. And this support is provided by the skeleton system of the body. The skeleton is actually the supportive frame, it is actually a framework of animal body. In this framework, invertebrate is provided by certain bones and cartilage. In vertebrate, the skeletal system performs several important functions like they provide support to the body. They also help or support by providing facilitation in the movement, and also they protect the internal organs of the body. And the third one is movement. Movement is actually an act of moving. In this movement, an organism is facilitated by the important system which is known as the muscular system. And muscular system is an organ system which consists of various organs. And they are in vertebrate, they are mostly consist of the skeletal system, the skeletal part, the smooth and cardiac muscle. And the muscular system, they provide movement of the body and maintaining posture. So when we are talking about the protection, support and movement, so the protection is provided by the integumentary system of the body, and support is provided by the skeletal system of the body, and movement is facilitated by the muscular system of the body. And further we will discuss each system and detail in the upcoming videos, inshallah. Thank you.